Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be talking about our new backyard that we put in. So our front yard we absolutely love. It's beautiful. We like the way that it turned out, and we've been doing a lot in the front yard just because we didn't have a backyard. And I definitely like goofing around with my daughter, and she loves to play with water balloons and things, but we were always kind of doing it in the front yard. You splashing, Daddy? Oh! You're getting Daddy all wet. You're getting Daddy all wet. Oh. So here's a look of how the side and backyard kind of looked. As you can see, it was nothing but goat land with some weeds, and I was really tired of pulling all the weeds. And I wanted to do cement all down this side at some point. But as far as the backyard went, we went and drew out what we were planning on with some spray paint and got an idea. And it took several months, of course, for anybody to come out and do it. And I had put in backyards in the past, but my wife convinced me to just have someone else come and do it. The yard actually did need a lot more grading and everything, because when they put in the block wall, it put big mounds of all the rocks and everything that they pulled up. And so it really made everything uneven, and we needed it to properly drain for when it rains. But as you can see, it was just this nasty looking goat land, and that we did not want to play with in the back. You're just going to get stickers and get dirty in the mud and everything like that. So that's what the backyard looked like before. And so the side yard was just the same. So they came eventually a few months later and went right to work. They did an excellent job. They brought in their heavy equipment. They graded everything. They put in proper drainage down the side, which we were really excited about. We get a lot of water from the neighbor's yard, and when it rains, it just slopes down that way. So they put in the sprinkler system. We also did a drip system, not only for the back wall, but also where we want to put some garden boxes in. So when we do a garden, they'll just be able to, we'll just be able to turn it on and it'll water itself. So we went and picked out all the rocks and everything that we needed, which is a lot more work than it sounds, to make sure everything's going to match and look nice. So my wife was pretty much in charge of that one, but it started coming right along, and they started to pour the cement and everything. And I just have to say, these people work so hard. These are the hardworking Americans who are just really out in the heat all the time and lifting heavy things and out in the sun. Just they did an excellent job. They made the cement match up really well for the extension of our patio. They did a great job on the pad out here that we were going to put the gazebo on. And then we did ask them as well, while they were at it, to put an area for the shed. So coming around the corner where it's kind of out of sight and out of mind, we had this pad extended over here so that I could build a shed. So I got an 8x10 shed. And for the shed and the gazebo that you'll see here, I do have install videos if you're interested in seeing those. So check the video description and subscribe to the channel if you're new, if you haven't seen any of these videos yet. But anyway, now for the final walk around. Coming from this side, we did just nice pea gravel, and it turned out really nice. Here's the shed. With cement in front of it as well, so you can pull the lawnmower out and not have any problems there. And we have some nice planter pots on the side here that we'll put some plants in. The drains are over on this side as well, as you saw earlier, so that's really nice. And we just absolutely love the way that this came together with the grass, the lava flows, the rock. My wife did a good job picking all that out and designing some of it, and they did an excellent job putting it in. So there's just enough grass, in my opinion, to play on. It's not too much grass, but it's enough. We have some patio furniture here, and we'll just need to get a table and some chairs for under the gazebo. But one of my favorite features is this paver stone pathway. We wanted something fun that would transition from the patio over to where the gazebo is, and it turned out just beautiful. I love it. And so we offset the gazebo so that you're not walking into a pole, and I have this extension here to put a grill, and it's out where the smoke won't go up under the gazebo. And then this side, just we put down rock for now, and it turned out really nice. It's nice to have this just done and completed. Of course, one day I'd love to have it as cement, but until then, it turned out really well. So we love coming out into our backyard now. There's plenty of shade from the side of the house. and the dog loves it. Our daughter loves it. And so we're just happier than ever that we have a nice place to come and relax. So anyway, this is just how ours turned out. Let me know what you have planned for your backyard. Of course, it's never done, right? There's always more to do. But for now, I'm just really happy that I have a place that I can come home from work or on a nice weekend, just sit down and enjoy a nice cold drink and just relax while the dog and the daughter are playing in the backyard. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.